welcome to Outdoor Inspirations. I'm Kevin and we're in spring blooming country in a field of Forsythias. These are Forsythias. These are incredible. Look at these gorgeous yellow blooms everywhere. And this is, Forsythia has a few different varieties, but we wanted to stop off and show you this amazing patch of Forsythia shrubs. And this is a deciduous plant that blooms early spring, and spring is around the corner. So we just had to show you these amazing yellow flowers. So, Forsythia is one of the very few plants that will grow in all kinds of varying sunlight conditions. So full sun, part sun. We're understory here, under some large mature shade trees, and we're getting flower power still. So really awesome conditions, sunlight, variety, just a very hardy plant that you can add to any area in the landscape. And it's an early spring bloomer, so you're getting these gorgeous yellow blooms here in March, where we're in North Carolina. So this is incredible. These are one of the few early spring blooming plants. You got dogwoods, daffodil bulbs, quince, camellias, and there's just a handful of plants. There's more than that, obviously, but not very many plants will give you this early of a bloom. And this is, growing up as a kid, I always looked for dogwoods and forsythias to bloom, and I knew spring was around the corner once you see this. So just an excellent sign. Very interesting. We had to show this to you. Thank you so much for watching. And remember to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell. We'd love to have some green thumb followers and Outdoor Inspirations. We'll see you in the next video.